If you've ever wondered how to find the sitemap for your WordPress website, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to locate your site's sitemap, and by the end, you'll understand not only how to access it, but also why the sitemap is so important for your website's SEO and organization. Let's dive right in. The sitemap is basically like a roadmap of your website. It's what helps search engines like Google understand exactly what content you have, how it's organized, and how to index it more efficiently. This is absolutely crucial if you want your site to show up in search results and bring in more visitors. Luckily, with modern versions of WordPress, that's version 5.5 and above, creating and finding your sitemap is straightforward. And you don't need any special plugins to do it. Here's how. First, head over to your website in any web browser. You're going to focus on the URL up at the top. Right now, you might see your homepage something like yourdomain.com, or maybe you're in the admin dashboard after editing a post. What you want to do is erase everything after your main website address. So if you see /wp-admin or about us or any other page, just remove everything except yourdomain.com. Take your time with this step so you're left with a clean domain name. Next, you're going to add a very specific path, /wp-sitemap.xml. Think of this like putting in a secret code that tells WordPress to show you the master list of all your website's content. So your final URL should look just like this, yourdomain.com/wp-sitemap.xml. Hit enter. Now the magic happens. You should see a page load that's mostly text links. This is your sitemap generated by WordPress itself. It's not flashy, you won't see images or design, but what you do see is a neatly organized map of your content types. There are usually separate sections for posts, pages, categories, and sometimes tags, all listed as individual sitemaps. Each link represents a different category, making it super easy for search engines to go through and find every part of your site. You might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, let's say you've written tons of blog posts about travel, or you've got an online shop with dozens of products. Search engines use your sitemap like a librarian uses a card catalog. It helps them discover every page of your website. And faster. That means your pages are more likely to be indexed quickly and show up in Google searches, which is a huge win for SEO. If you don't see your sitemap, don't panic. Double-check your WordPress version. Remember, you need at least version 5.5 or newer. Also, make sure you typed in /wp-sitemap.xml perfectly. Sometimes, even a small typo can prevent the sitemap from appearing. And if you're using plugins like Yoast SEO or One SEO, your sitemap might be at a slightly different address. Those plugins often make custom sitemaps, which you can usually find in their settings. And there you have it, you've unlocked your WordPress sitemap. It's quick, it's easy. And now you've got the power to improve your site's visibility just by knowing where this roadmap lives. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, actionable guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.